Welcome, come along on our day excursion into the Stanislaus National Forest.
Alright, we're heading up past the Twainhart turnoff right now. The elevation here is about 4,000 feet. And here we keep going up Highway 108.
Alright, we arrived at our spot, had to get off the road onto some mud and snow. Pretty sketchy, but we made it. Alright, we made it down 301 a little bit, found a turnoff where we could be all by ourselves. There's people everywhere else. So a little view of our area we pulled off on. A little muddy, a little sketchy, but we will see how it goes. So widen it out. So yeah, we got Dakota with us. We got Lindsay. Took the old Isuzu up here. As you can see, it's really muddy and whatnot and sketchy. Had to drive through that. A little sketchy. That's probably why there was no one else here. It's Saturday, January 28th, 2023. So now we're going to go ahead and start walking down the trail here. Could have probably drove to the gate, but you know, don't want to spend the night out here. Alright, after this horrible walk we had to take through the snow, which was rather deep, we did find our spot, so bear with us as we set up our little base camp to fly out of.
Here we go, cross country. £50 lighter, but I wouldn't sink through as much. Hello, girl. Okay, we made it to our Zoom spot. We're going to try to get some views of the river down below and see how far the drone will take us. Alright, here we got our drone in the air. We're going to check the area out a little bit and spy on a few people. LOL that we're all over the place. And this is what I get. Almost get the drone in my face for talking like that. Well, I did have 4 cameras out with me, but I'll tell you one thing, piecing them all together is a whole different story. So, until next time, take care. Hey, you just gotta say, my old Isuzu will get in there just as good as any Toyota. Just saying, nobody rides these Isuzus anymore, but there it is. Peace.
Hold on, Lindsay. Look at the interior of this beautiful ride. Alrighty, buddy. Hope you enjoyed our little day trip. Till next time.